Okay, in this brief video we're going to show you how to build dashboards again, but instead of using a strategy map as the dashboard that we want to build, we're going to just show you how you can do a free-form dashboard with a variety of different objects in it. So we'll navigate first to our dashboard section, and then we'll say that we want to create a new dashboard. You'll see there's the strategy map we had created earlier. And we'll just call this a, let's do a stakeholder summary. And what we're going to put in this dashboard are some speedometer dials and maybe some trend graphs so that we can see that you can put a combination of things on the same screen. So we're going to go to our city government example, and since it's going to be a stakeholder summary, we want to put maybe, let's put the overall stakeholder performance as maybe one item on here, and then maybe underneath that, or I tell you what, next to it, let's just put alongside it, let's put a trend graph, and we're going to make this a line chart, and we'll specify that the data series is going to come from the city government stakeholder scorecard. Now when I choose that, I can choose to have the legend show up or not. I'm just going to hide the legend, but I am going to change the time range. Instead of 12 periods, I'm going to adjust this so that it just shows 6 periods, and that'll help us to see the data well. And we'll put this out to the right, and then I'm going to size it a little bit differently so that we can have some better use of our real estate on the screen. So there's a trend graph to show the overall stakeholder performance. Now underneath that we might want to see, since it's a summary for the stakeholder dashboard, we might want to see some other things. Instead of speedometer dials, I'll use maybe some vertical bullets, or we could put horizontal bullets, but I'm going to put the vertical bullets, one for improved quality of life, and we'll set that one in there, and we'll move these around a little bit better so they get a little better real estate room. And then next, after the quality of life, we'll put the safety and security, and next to that we'll put the improved program outcomes, and then next to that we'll put our awareness, and finally increase economic abundance. So here's the dashboard. This in fact is rather large actually, but it just shows a mixture of speedometer graphs, horizontal bullets or vertical bullet kind of graphs, slide bar type things as I refer to them, a trend graph. We can put other stuff in here. We can put text objects. So if we'd like, for example, to put a title, summary of stakeholder performance, and then we can size that accordingly, make that text larger so it's easier to read. We just come over here, highlight the text, make it 18-point font maybe, and then drag that to the center. Let's get that and put it in the middle maybe. So, summary of stakeholder performance. Once we've got that the way we want it, you'll notice that we have these red dash lines over here. That's the boundary of what a PowerPoint slide would be. So if you want to export this, we kind of give you a guideline for how large it should be to export to PowerPoint. But then again, you just say finish. Would you like to save it? Yes. It's our stakeholder summary. And then I'm going to add that also to my bookmark page as the stakeholder summary. And now when I go back to my bookmarks, you'll notice that I have my stakeholder summary. Now I'm going to put that in my city government folder. Now I've got 2 dashboards there. Once again, very simple way to represent the performance of our strategy. As we always say, strategy made simple. Thanks for watching.